brat.
Good afternoon, Miss Hannigan.
Oh yeah, fairly early. It's only been 1 week. What? Warbucks fed up the manual already?
Oh no, on the contrary. Mr. Warbucks is delighted with Annie, and Annie's having the time of her life.
How nice.
It is. In fact, they're practically inseparable. They go everywhere together, to the Roxy, to the Stock Exchange. And guess where they had lunch yesterday?
The wardrobe?
The Automat.
The automat?
Yes, and she just loves her new coat. She never takes it off.
Never?
Never. Miss Hannigan, I know you're busy, but this has to be signed and taken back to Mr. Donatelli at the Board of Orphans by no later than 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
What for?
Well, Mr. Warbucks is so taken with Annie that guess what?
What?
He wants to adopt her.
How nice. How wonderful. Now let me get this wonderful news straight. Annie is going to be Warbucks' kid. Daughter of a millionaire.
Oh, no. The daughter of a billionaire.
A billionaire?
Yes, and Mr. Warbucks asked me to drop by here in person to let you know that Annie will not be coming back here ever again.
Ever? My. Would you excuse me for a moment? Got any more wonderful news?
Just good day.
Good day.
Oops, there we go. Hi, sis. Long time no see.
Oh, Rooster, it never rains but it pours. What, they finally let you out of Sing Sing?
Yeah, I got 6 months off of the behavior.
Oh, bet. What did they put you in for this time?
Some old geezer from Yonkers said that I swindled him out of $1,100.
Wonder why you say that.
Because the rooster swindled him out $1,100.
Oh, Lil?
It's true.
Sis, I'd like you to meet a friend of mine.
Jersey City.
Jersey City. Miss Lily Sandridge.
I'm named after the hotel.
Which floor?
Don't you just love Lily, sis?
Yeah, I'm nuts about her. Rooster, do me a favor.
Anything.
Get out here and take the hotel with you.
Come on, sis.
Panic. Looking for another handout, huh?
Yeah, I got $80 coming in the mail. Thursday. All I need is 10 to time you over.
Not even a nickel for the subway, Rooster.
A 5 ready?
I gotta laugh. You with all your big tongue. Gonna be living in clover.
This ain't exactly Buckingham Palace.
Yeah, I'm in on the city. Free food, steady salary, free electricity. I'm doing all right.
Sis, you're doing how I'm doing.
Lousy.
Alright, idea that humanity kids end up like this.